Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Lumley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 29th to August 10th. For July 29th to August 2nd, this is what we're forecasting. We're going to have blocking develop across here as a ridge from Europe retrogrades westward over to Greenland. And we have a ridge here, a fairly strong ridge over the four corners. And this will set up for a trough here in the east. Also favoring a trough in the east is we have a trough moving into Eastern Asia. And this favors that trough. Now, we're also going to have a trough over the northwest, a weak trough. But this is what we're forecasting the pattern will look like. You see it starts developing. Here's that strong ridge that remains across this region here. And monsoonal moisture will increase in the southwest and will tend to hold down temperatures, although they'll be still quite hot. And a front will cause convective rainfall along and ahead of it from the Great Lakes, Mississippi, Ohio Valley early in the week, and then points east later in the week. August 1st to the 5th. We have strong posihite anomalies here over Greenland, or over the high latitudes, and this will maintain the trough here in the east, and we have a ridge in the west. Models of good agreement, you can see here we have our strong ridge, although the models might vary in the strength of the overall ridge, but it's there and it's fairly strong. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the Mississippi Valley to Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. Precipitation, calling for areas of above normal precipitation for portions of the Rockies, the upper Mississippi Valley, parts of the central Mississippi Valley, middle Atlantic, and the northeast. Probability of occurrence is kind of low, 35%. And then we have below normal precipitation for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. As we get to the later in the period, or this forecast, this is for the 6th to the 10th, trough becomes more established in the east, ridge over the west, although the ridge is a little weaker in the west. Here's I think the European ensembles holds on to this strength of a 594 DM ridge. So it's all because of what's going on halfway around the world with this trough moving into Eastern Asia. Okay, so for this forecast period, I'm forecasting still above normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures are forecast for the Mississippi Valley to Atlantic coast. The temperature anomalies of 2 degrees below normal are forecast. Precipitation, calling for areas of above normal precipitation for the central and northern Rockies, northern plains, the upper Mississippi Valley, portions of the Mississippi Valley, and the Midwest. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for the Gulf Coast states and the southeast, and for the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 30%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 29th to August 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Lumley's World of Weather, and have a good day.